Hi there, I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Today we're working on this 2015 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack edition. This vehicle was actually sitting underneath a tree when a local tree company was cutting down some branches on it, and the branches happened to fall on the vehicle. This caused damage all over the vehicle, including the hood, roof, trunk lid, but we are mainly going to be focusing on the left quarter panel here today. We're going to go ahead and start out this repair by setting up our Paintless dent repair light so we can properly see the damage. Then, with the taillight assembly removed, we can go ahead and use our specialized tools to slowly push out the damaged area. We're going to be applying hundreds and hundreds of pushes to this damage. Here I'm using a combination technique where I'm actually pushing up on the low spots while tapping down on the high spots with my hammer. Don't worry, this is a specialized, very highly polished hammer, will not harm the paint finish at all. Now I'm going to go ahead and install a secondary light so I have another form of reflection to better help me with this repair. So what the damage is actually doing here is popping back in. So this metal was hit so extremely hard that it actually stretched the exterior metal here, and I'm actually having to work it in and out in a multiple series of pushes and tap downs. So here, now check out, this is what happens when the metal is stretched. The metal is very weak and to the point of almost oil canning and having to actually stay in when I push it in. Now it's time to go ahead and shrink the metal. So what I'm using here is an electromagnetic heat induction tool. This is called the Hot Box by Betatag. What it does is actually heats the metal underneath the paint up before, and then that actually radiates the heat out into the paint system, allowing it to be a much safer way of heating versus heating with a heat gun where you're heating from the external part in through the paint and then into the metal. After the metal is to a very hot temperature, but safe for the paint, I actually hit it with the cold spray that I'm spraying here. Basically what this does is shock the metal so it gets extremely hot and extremely cold very fast. This allows it to shrink. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish it up with some final pushing. It's all done. All done here with this Challenger. I'm really excited because this came out really, really nice. And if I haven't already mentioned this, this is one of my cars, if you know what I mean. Like, this is one of these things where I really, this is just, I love this green, I love the black accents, I love the black wheels, and it's a stick shift 6-speed manual. It's, oh man, it sounds amazing. So anyways, went on ahead and got all the damage fixed up in this vehicle here for him. That's enough of me talking and jabbering my mouth off, which is really easy for me to do because I'm really passionate and I love that, and I just really love this car. So anyways, let's go ahead and show you the after footage here, how it looks repaired. So my next question to you is, why would you choose your typically, pause. This vehicle came to us because it has tree limb damage. All right, I'm gonna shut up now.